Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Candy Blossom shard in Grow Garden game app Roblox new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically you will need the Candy Blossom shard to get the Candy Blossom seed. You can go to Kathleen right here. And if you want to unlock the Candy Blossom seed, you need to submit 50 golden eggs and also one Candy Blossom shard. And if you want to get the shard, you need to feed the angry plant. Unlock the Candy Blossom shard by feeding the angry plant. And wait, let me show you the requirements. Sorry. I'm going to show you the hint. Okay, this is the hint. You can get the Candy Blossom shard after you submit 25 fruits to the angry plant. Acquired every 20 fruit submissions to the angry plant. So just go to the angry plant and you need to feed him with the plant that he wants. And after 25 submissions, you will get one Candy Blossom shard. And okay guys, that's how we can unlock the Candy Blossom shard to get the Candy Blossom seed in Grow Garden game app Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.